Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see review of Indulekha Bhringha Hair Cleanser. Things which I am reviewing on my channel are used by me. Some products which are suitable to my skin might not be suitable to your skin. So the review is based on my personal opinion. Packaging of product is just normal as compared to other shampoos. They have given that this shampoo prevents hair fall. They have even mentioned that it's an Ayurvedic proprietary medicine for hair fall. Now, let's see what is there behind the packaging of this product. The cost of this product is ₹135. The manufacturing date is March 2020 and the expiry date of this product is February 2022. The net volume of this product is 100 ml. They say that this cleanser contains Bhringraj, Amla, Tulsi, Neem, Rosemary, Shikakai and Madayantika. We all know that Bhringraj, Neem, Amla, Shikakai is beneficial for our hair. All these herbs promotes hair growth. This product is manufactured by Hindustan Unilever Limited. Now your question is, does it really grow your hair? And the answer is no. But it do cleanse your hair. And the smell of the cleanser is really nice. You will get camphor smell. If you compare the smell with other branded shampoo. I have already finished one bottle, you can see, and this is the second bottle which I am presently using. I apply coconut oil to my hair first and I keep it overnight, and next day with the help of this cleanser I wash my hair. It really cleanses my hair and makes my hair silky and shiny. Twice in a week I wash my hair with this cleanser and it really gives me happiness. The best part of this cleanser is that it's chemical-free cleanser and it's one of the best shampoos I have been using so far. Now let's see how this shampoo looks like. It's brown in color, and before applying this shampoo in your scalp, you have to wet your hair and shampoo for 2 minutes and rinse it off with normal water. If you are planning to purchase this shampoo, then it is available at nearby medical store and even you will able to purchase it in supermarket. I have given the purchase link in the description box below. The review of Indulekha Bhringha Hair Cleanser. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit like button.